Hey, welcome to Luxury in Moderation, where we appreciate the finer things in life without going overboard. So today we finally get to do the unboxing of this big orange box that you may have seen in the back of my previous videos. And I am just going to jump right into it and show you the bag that is in this box, and then we will talk a little bit more about why I got this bag, how I got this bag, all the good stuff. As you can see, I did not have a ribbon on this box. I told my essay that I have too many Hermes ribbons that I have no idea what to do with, so I do not need another Hermes ribbon. So she just gave me the box with no ribbon, which I appreciate. And from the shape of the bag, and maybe for some of you the shape of the box, you may know which bag this is. But can you guess the color? So it is this beautiful Hermes Constance in the gold color with gold hardware in Epsom leather. And this is in the 24 size. And this is the very second time I have held a Constance in my hand. I am trying to get off the felt, but I think it's clipped in there. Oh, there we go. So it still has all the stickers on. I just brought this bag home, so it's brand new from the store. This is my very second time touching and holding a Constance. The very first time was when I saw it in store. And I am just so pleasantly surprised by it. Honestly, I did not think much about Constances before. I really love the redesigned Constance. You can see it only has the one compartment. I think the old style had two. Something that really surprised me when I picked up and looked at this bag in the store is that it has curved stitching. So that is just a wonderful, lovely detail that I had no idea about. And my essay actually said that this was very hard to stitch, which is why it is actually pretty difficult to make this bag. And she also explained that maybe that's why this bag has so much demand for how little supply it has. A lot of people wait a very long time for this bag. And it is because they just don't make enough because it is a very technical bag to make. Now, a couple more details that I didn't know before I picked up the bag. It has this beautiful functional slip pocket in the back. So I could easily see putting my phone in there. And in terms of the strap drop, I think it's, again, very calculated. It's a very good length for, I think, a lot of people. And so I, of course, applaud Hermes in their design of it, that you can wear it longer on the shoulder. So I'll just show you that on me, or doubled up, and it just looks great both ways. But the proportions are just there. The only reference point I had for this Constance 24 is that in my store before, there was a Constance 18 on display. I did not pick it up. I just saw it behind the glass, and I was like, oh, is that the 18 size? It looks really tiny. So from seeing the smaller size, I knew that the larger size would be the right choice. It can just hold so much more. It just seems more functional, whereas the 18 size just seems like a toy bag. That's what it is, a mini bag. So it was at least good for me to see the smaller size. Now, as I'm opening the H clasp here, something that my essay recommended was that in order to not push or put any additional force on the leather than you have to, she recommends to just push against the H metal as the force to open up the clasp. So I'm just going to do that very gently here. And then you can see on the inside, you have a zippered pocket in the back. You have two slip pockets in the front, which I think will be very difficult to see here. There you go. I still have the bubble wrap in there. You can see the larger slip pocket on this side of the bag, and then on the smaller slip pocket, there is a little mirror, which they have included. So again, the stickers are still on this. And that would be the full tour of the bag. So you might be wondering why I requested this bag from my essay. If I knew so little about it, if I didn't research it that much, well, that is the influence of my mother. My mom also is into luxury purses. She has been that biggest influence in my life. That Kelly 28 up there was hers originally before she gifted it to me. So she knows her bags, and she thought that the Constance shape and size was just a great design, and she was right. This is an absolutely gorgeous bag, and now I am absolutely in love with Constance's, specifically Constance 24. I can imagine it looking wonderful in different colors, but I am so glad that I got it in the gold on gold. I did tell my essay that I wanted it in a neutral color that was not black, and she came through for me. If you've been following my videos for a while, you might know that yes, I did meet a very wonderful essay this year at my local store, and I have been making regular purchases and just building up my customer history. I am so thankful that she was able to make this bag a reality. She did tell me that the Constance was not a quota bag yet. Those were her exact words. So yeah, this doesn't count as a quota bag yet at my store in America, I think. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer them for you and be a resource. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.